All right, hey, I'm Rich Gray with Twinkly Pro. We're here showing our Twinkly Pro Lightwall panels here. We sell products that are scalable, up for large commercial installations, all the way down to individual light strings for small decorative lighting on residential properties. What you're looking at here are some aluminum panels with 1,250 lights each. They are 5 feet wide, 10 feet tall, fully programmable with our proprietary app. We give you a whole bunch of content to choose from, live moving effects, vivid colors. We've got some elevated control measures where you can import and display video content, video with music, and third-party controls like ArtNet, DMX, and so forth. The thing that we actually invented in all of this is the ability to hang lights, and we've got them in a variety of different forms, whether they're bistro-style lights or string lights, but to hang these lights in any configuration, and then using our app, take your camera and your smartphone or your iPad and scan that installation, instantly pixel mapping the entire job. This is a proprietary element that, of course, we guard with patents and Doberman pinschers and so forth, but takes that programming out of the picture, takes the programmer out of the picture. All the time and money spent on programming is put into your hands simply by scanning with the camera and your smart device. From there, you can do anything you want. We join 4 controllers here together to create one large scene. We can join 20 or 30 of them together to do one scene. The projects that we do range in size all over the world. You can see here in a video that's playing hundreds of thousands of pixels on single objects, all coordinated and pixel mapped from a smartphone. The cool thing to do is go to pro.twinkly.com and check out a lot of installations, the products that are available, and see if it's right for you.